Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm doing a grocery haul. I love grocery hauls and I love watching them too. So what I opted to do this week, do the Walmart pickup. I need to show you. If you haven't done a Walmart pickup, it's super easy. You do it online and you just pick a time to go and pick it up and they bring it right to your car. Nicest people, and you don't tip. So if you're worried or thinking about you have to tip your person, they cannot accept a tip. So they bring it out, they roll it out to your car. It's so great. And then they just put it in your back seat or in your trunk, whatever you need. So today is a dreary, wet day in Las Vegas. You can kind of see my hair is wonky. So every bag that I have is wet. So I'm just going to unpack and go bag by bag because this is going to be interesting. So let me show you what I have in the first couple bags. With Walmart, they even do some substitutions. So if they don't have the product that you have or requested, then they will usually upgrade it to a bigger size, or if it's from generic to name brand, they'll do that too. So I ordered a couple of tubes and they just gave me these. These are low lean ground beef. They 93.7. That's the kind that I like. I am making some barbecue like tamale pie, so gotta have that. We were about a week or so without these go-go squeezes. Ezra tried like just a regular applesauce, and I'm not sure if he liked them as much because he didn't ask for them. So I got these for him. I know he'll like those. Plus I got some sliced cheddar and a 2-pound block of cheese. These are great for tacos, great for sandwiches. I have one kid that likes cheese sandwiches, one that can do meat sandwiches. They are just a pain, don't you think? I also got 2 boxes of the Eggo waffles. My kid, my youngest, look, that's Jonas. My youngest can tell the difference between this brand and the store brand. I tried, but you like the store brand? Really? That's interesting. Well, we'll just get whatever. But these are pretty good priced at Walmart. So I got 2. Hopefully that'll last us a few more days. On to the next bags. All right, next up I have some frozen chicken breasts. I have these on hand because they go for everything. We can put them in crock pots to shred them to make tacos. I can make them with, boil them in with some bouillon cubes. So I can make some arroz con pollo, and that's with chicken and rice. There's some really great things. I could just bake them, have Paul grill them. It's great to have it on hand. I also bought 3 Grandma Sycamore breads. Kids use them a lot. I can put them in the freezer till we use them. And I have some honey ham. I got a double pack, so I should make hot ham and cheeses, huh? Mm-hmm. So, and also I have, we have yogurt. They do like that, the bigger pack. It has like 12, I think. 12. It's the good stuff too. They're like the good size cartons, not the teenier ones, the smaller ones. So they're good size. I love these. Yeah, they love to take them for snacks or for lunches. So good. Or even for breakfast. We got some more butter, and I have some milk, 2%. I don't use this a lot, so it's mostly for recipes or if I have Oreos. Okay, next up, I bought a couple of boxes of these protein bars. These are great. Paul loves these, and even one of my sons is taking them in his lunch now. So this, some yogurt, super good. And also I got this time some trail mix. I know Paul likes these. These are great snacks for work. These ones I tend to keep for him on the side just so that he can have something as a go-to snack. But if the kids want them, it's not a big deal. I also bought some chocolate chips, 2 different kinds, because I don't know, are you like me? I prefer the semi-sweet if I'm making chocolate chip cookies, but these are great in muffins, right? And I got some tortilla chips, but I'm kind of looking, they look a little crushed. So I don't know, we might have to put these into soups, taco soup. Maybe I'll do that again. I got some eggs, 18, and nothing broke.
Soda.
He got soda. He's like, Mom, can I show the soda? Because I'm kind of thirsty.
So, we got ourselves some ramen.
Ramen. Okay, so is this like a kid thing? They love the ramen, which is fine because they can make it themselves. As long as they're only having about one a pack every couple days or so, it's no big deal. And we even figured out how to keep it in his lunch, and it's kind of warm, isn't it? When you eat it in your lunch, it's kind of warm.
Oh, it's so good.
So we've only done that a couple of times. But yeah, we'll probably have that even tonight for dinner with some. I keep saying these hot ham and cheeses because I think that sounds so good. All right, what else did I get? I got some tater tots. So of all the places that we've bought these tater tots from, we like the flavor from from Walmart. And so let me know in the comments if you even notice a difference when you're buying tater tots. These are just good for casseroles. Like I make a tater tot casserole. And plus if we're having like hamburgers, like Paul made these up on Sunday lunch. So you're gonna
skedaddle.
He made them for Sunday lunch and they were a perfect size. So it makes it really easy. So let me tell you the mistake I made. I bought, which I'm sure they're good, I bought these chicken strips, but that's not really a mistake because I bought them here, but I thought I was clicking on the oranges, and so now I have to go buy oranges. So obviously we're having chicken strips for dinner a couple of nights in the next couple of weeks. So, oh well. So we're having some pretzels. Those are for boys' lunches, and I even use them in my classroom. Kids love them. And some Crystal Light. So we haven't had Crystal Light the last couple of days, and Ezra's been drinking water, and he's like, when can we go get some more fruit juice? Now we have it. But he still at least drinks some water.
We got ourselves some graham crackers, which...
The graham crackers are for my classroom, and I got a family size. They didn't have the family size, so I got 2 of these. The 2 of the Honey Maid, which I had a couple of the little kids in my class tell me the difference between the store brand and these ones. So I have some finicky eaters in my classrooms too. Awesome. So this is, I think I got more because they gave me 2 boxes as a substitution. So that works, right?
Yeah, and I like putting the frosting,
which we have leftover frosting in the fridge,
on the sugar cookies on the graham crackers.
Yeah, so whenever I make frosting, like when I did the live and I did the cinnamon rolls, I only used not even like maybe half of that frosting for the 2 batches of cinnamon rolls because I thinned it out. But so the leftovers are in the fridge, in which they really do like putting them on graham crackers. So I also got some apples. Those are yummy, especially with peanut butter. And I got some more bananas, which we have some, you can see behind me. Banana. This is really good with peanut butter and coconut. So that's a really good, yummy treat. I got some grape tomatoes because I am the only one that likes tomatoes really in our family. So I'll have that on a salad. Do you want to say hi, Ezzy?
Hi.
Hi.
I like grape tomatoes.
And what do you like to eat here? What's this, Ez? Pizza. So I got 2 of these. Now at Walmart, these are under $3. And they're a lot like the Del Giorno that has the rising crust, so if that means anything to you. So it's got like a thicker crust, so it'll rise up. And it's a pretty good taste. Plus, can't forget, whenever we go to Walmart, we get the sausages for breakfast. So we'll even have breakfast for dinner maybe. So you can see over my shoulder, I just got some like Toiletries, just that's our favorite detergent. It has a really, really good scent. It's subtle. It's for sensitive skin, but it has such a nice fresh scent. So if you've been watching my hauls, I've told about it's actually this dress. I let my neighbor across the street try it on for sizing wise, for like a private like party that she wasn't sure if this was a size that she would wear or not. And so anyways, I took it over to her house, and she's like, oh my gosh, what is the detergent you wash your clothes in? Because this smells amazing. So it's subtle. It's not really strong. So, and I like that because I tend to have a little bit more sensitive skin. I think I've talked about that, and which is why I use Mrs. Meyer's things. So this, just some toilet paper, flushable wipes, and some hand soap. I don't use antibacterial hand soap either. I just use whatever, just non-antibacterial because I don't need it to strip more of my natural oils. Okay, so the last parts, we got some more vegetable oil just for some recipes. I got Sprite Zero because Paul likes that. He also loves Diet Coke. And DDP for me and the kids. They like it. Plus, I got some home-style meatballs, which I have a recipe in mind, so stay tuned. So all of that was $167, which I think is a fair amount. Now, I tend to think that my dollar stretches further at Winco, but I can't always go to Winco. And timing-wise, it was much easier to just order it online and just go pick it up. And I find that I actually spend less money doing that at Walmart because it's so much easier to pick up stuff when I don't need it. So I hope you've enjoyed this haul. I do really love watching other people's hauls and what they get for their houses and their families. I'm just interested because I like getting new ideas, and it makes me feel like I can try new things and have a good recommendation. So if any of these items were new to you or you got a good recommendation, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments some of your favorite things that you get from Walmart. Maybe I don't have it in my haul, but I would love to get it in another haul. So thanks for stopping by. I'm so grateful to all of you for coming to visit, leaving kind words, leaving great suggestions. I am just so happy to be a part of this community, and so I just want to say stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. See you later.